changed your mind about that movie night? No worries, canceling your Bookmyshow tickets is easier than you think. First, open the Bookmyshow app on your smartphone or head over to the Bookmyshow website on your computer. Next, tap on the profile icon. It's usually located at the bottom right corner of the app or the top right corner on the website. Then select your orders or bookings. You'll see a list of all your past and upcoming bookings. Find the movie ticket you want to cancel and tap on it. On the ticket details page, scroll down until you find the cancel or cancellation button. Tap on it. A pop-up window will appear, showing you the cancellation policy associated with your ticket. This will tell you if cancellation is possible and if there are any charges involved. Read it carefully. If you agree with the cancellation policy, tap on Confirm Cancellation or a similar option to proceed. You'll then see a confirmation message saying your ticket has been successfully cancelled and the refund process has been initiated. The refund amount, if applicable, will be credited back to your original payment method or your Bookmyshow wallet within the specified timeframe. Keep an eye on your account. That's it. Enjoy hassle-free movie planning with Bookmyshow.